India has received some relief amid ongoing tensions in the Gulf region as a second LPG tanker has safely reached the country despite disruptions near the Strait of Hormuz. Early Tuesday morning, the Indian-flagged LPG tanker Nanda Devi arrived at Kandla at around 2:30 am. This follows the arrival of another tanker, Shivalik, which docked a day earlier at Mundra. According to Rajesh Kumar Sinha, Special Secretary in the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, both vessels together are carrying approximately 92,712 tons of LPG, roughly equivalent to India's daily cooking gas requirement. The ships had begun their journey on March 13 and successfully navigated through the Strait of Hormuz by early March 14th, despite the region being affected by escalating conflict. The strategic waterways, which connects the Persian Gulf to the Arabian Sea, has been effectively shut following military tensions involving the United States, Israel and Iran. Officials have confirmed that all Indian seafarers operating in the Persian Gulf are safe. However, currently 22 Indian-flagged vessels carrying 611 seafarers remain in the Western Gulf, with the Directorate General of Shipping monitoring operations closely in coordination with ship owners, agencies and Indian missions, he said. When the conflict began, a total of 28 Indian-flagged vessels were in the region, 24 to the west of the strait and 4 to the east. So far, 4 vessels have successfully crossed the conflict zone, while efforts are ongoing to ensure the safe passage of the remaining ships. The safe arrival of these tankers offers some reassurance, but authorities continue to work urgently to bring back the remaining vessels and crew amid the volatile situation in the region.